How to set bullet point in Google Docs. Here you can say I have multiple words and I want to add bullet before all the words, so that select all the words, then go to bulleted list option, or you can also select Ctrl Shift plus 8 from your keyboard. Click here and then here you can see all the words have bullet. If you want to remove, select all, then click again here. I have another option like click one and then click to bullet. That's it. Then click enter. That's it. Very simple to do. You can add, you can follow any method to add bullet point in Google Docs. Do subscribe to get more quick and easy tutorial. Thanks for watching.